you're stepping into a position, into an organization or something like that, that is failing and it needs some drastic change, go in and do the practical things. But make sure that when you tear things down, that you're building it up on a culture that is based on a good moral standing, and make sure that there is trust. Make sure you're not doing these things for your own selfish gain. If you're going to tear things down, make sure it's for the greater good. Make sure that people can trust you. Make sure you follow through on your word. Make sure that you carry a culture of trust and that you can embed a culture of trust. Because during this time, as you're tearing things down, there's so much uncertainty in the workplace or whatever. People don't know if their job's safe and they don't know where the company's going to go, whatever. But if there is still that level of trust that they know that you will follow through on your word, that everything is moral and no one's trying to pad their own pockets, so to speak, that's the best way to go if you need to do some drastic culture shifts.